welcome to my new blog post number 12. And in today's blog post, I'm going to discuss about the OPM. OPM means OPM is an abbreviation of Organizational Project Management. Hopefully, you guys, which are related to project management, knows about this term. I will discuss about organizational project management and basically the strategies that are related to it. So let's start. So I'm going to give you the basic overview of the organizational project management through this picture. Basically, this picture has strategy, portfolio, programs and projects, and operations. And they are actually interlinked, and then they are circularly related to each other, and then they also create a cycle, right? So first, as you know, that portfolios, programs, and projects are basically aligned with or driven by your organizational strategy. So in order to contribute to the achievement of the strategic goals that are actually set by the organization. So basically, mainly the portfolio management basically aligns the portfolio within organization, and they are mostly aligned with the organizational strategies by selecting the right programs or the projects and the prioritizing the work and providing the needed resources. Then with respect to project management, program management, basically program management harmonizes the key program components and basically controls the interdependencies between various projects, interrelated programs in order to realize the specific benefits. Whereas the project management actually enables the achievement of the organizational goals and objectives, right? So within portfolios or programs, projects are basically means of achieving the organizational goals and objectives. So basically, this is often accomplished in the context of strategic plan that is primarily the factor guiding investments in the project. Alignment with the organizational strategic business goals can be achieved through the systematic management of the portfolios, programs, and projects through the application of organizational project management, or OPM. OPM is defined as a framework in which portfolio, program, and project management are integrated with organizational enablers in order to achieve strategic objectives. Basically, the purpose of OPM is to ensure that the organization undertakes the right projects and critically allocates the right resources. OPM also helps to ensure that all levels in the organization understand the strategic vision, the initiative that support the vision, the objectives, and deliverables. So basically, this is all about the OPM and the relation of OPM with the normal project management. So I hope so that you have understood this walkthrough for the OPM.